doesn't like tostadas? Tostadas are the easiest thing to make, and I'm gonna be happy to show you how I make mine. They only require a few toppings, the chicken, and that's it. So you can prepare your chicken the way I do, or just buy one already pre-made and you shred the breast and you're done. So that's the quickest thing to do, and you can always know that everybody's gonna love it and they'll think that you work super hard to make something so delicious, which is not what it is like. So if you let me, I'll show you the simple steps on how to prepare one. So this is the cooked chicken. I just added water, salt, garlic, and onion. So I use like 5 cloves of garlic, half an onion, and just like 2 little branches of the oregano, fresh oregano I have in my garden. I cooked it for around an hour and a half, I would say. Once the chicken is nice and soft and you can shred it like that, then your chicken is ready. I already got some here prepared for the building of my tostada. So that will be the next step. I'll show you what comes next. Just putting it together is the most simple thing I ever have done, and why I recommend you do the chicken the way I do is because then you have all these awesome broth that you can use for soups or other things. You can use your extra chicken for flautas, chicken salad, taquitos, I mean, you name it. Just buy a bunch of the breast and you can put it away in the fridge for about a week, and you can keep on making things with your boiled chicken, and it's probably less expensive than trying to buy already cooked and a lot better tasting. So try to make it that way, and now let me show you how to put it together. So you add the beans to your tostada. And you add the shredded chicken. You add some lettuce. You add some of that juice. You add some of the onions. Those onions have lemon, so they're really good like that. You add tomato, as much as you like. I like it a lot, so I'm adding 2. Then you add your chiles on top. There's your tostada. Perfection. This is one of my favorite things to eat, and everybody around here. The best part is to eat these. So let me let you know, when you make them, you're gonna know why I recommend for you to do these. They're really good. Perfect. They are messy, but they're good. Get a napkin. You're gonna need it. They're good. Until next time, enjoy.